Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini and today you are going to see the next program of first PUC Computer Science. So let me read out the program. Write a C++ program to input the 4 subject marks. So you are going to input 4 subject marks. So it's just that you are going to enter 4 subject marks. So 4 CN statements you require. So remember that. Next, calculate the total percentage. You need to calculate the total percentage. So that is one of the variable, and print or output the result either first class or second class or pass class or fail using switch statement. You are going to use a switch statement and you are going to print whether the total percentage belongs to the first class, second class or pass or fail. So here they have given a table for you. First class means between 60% to 100% they are first class student. Between 50 to 59 second class. So if your total percentage is between 50 to 59 then it is second class. If your total percentage is 40 to 49 percentage then it is a pass class. If it is less than 40% then it is failed. So this is the question. So let me open the Turbo C++ for you. So click on Turbo C++. Click on Start Turbo C++. Okay. Next I'll go to File and click on Open, and I'm going to open the file students.cpp and click on OK. Here is my program. So here you can see me making a command line here. So the first 2 lines are command line. So you know this is not the program, this is some other program structure. So let me see which program it is. This is not the program, this is some other program. Okay, let me see which program it is. I'll just go to my file and see the program name. The problem is when I type the program, I'll just type okay. I have given switch case. Okay, let me open the Turbo C++. So whenever you forget something, if you want to see, you can go to C drive and go to your bin and you can see all the programs that has been typed. So here my program is coming in a small window. So what I do is I'll close all the windows and again I restart my Turbo C++. I'll click on Start Turbo C++. I'll go to File and open switch case. Switch.cpp. I'll click on switch case. No, the program I'm not able to open it. Once again I'll just see it. Give me a minute. Now let me open the C++. I have created a file. I'll click on Start and here I'll go to File, click on Open, and I'm going to give the file name and I'll click on open, and here is my program. So here you can see I told you how to write a program. So first thing is you are going to enter 4 subject marks, then you are going to total it. If the total is between 60 to 100%, first class, 59 to 60%, it is 50 to 59, it is second class, 40 to 49, it is pass, then remaining less than 40, it is fail. You have to print using a switch keys. So first I am going to tell you, first 2 lines are the header files, then you have a void main. Inside the void main you have declared all the variable that is required, that is M1, M2, M3 and M4 are your each subject marks, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4 marks, that is M1, M2, M3, M4. Total is your, to calculate the total you need a variable, so you have declared total. Then you have choice, choice is for your switch keys. Then float is float per means percentage, you need to calculate the percentage. So to calculate the percentage you require a total, so total you have declared here. To calculate percentage you have given per. Okay, then you have CLR SCR, then you are going to enter each subject marks. So first you will get enter the first subject marks, so C in M1 you are going to enter. Next again when you click on enter key you will get enter the second subject marks, M2 will store the second subject marks, again enter third subject marks, M3 stores third subject marks, again enter fourth subject marks, M4 will store the fourth subject marks. Now you have got all M1, M2, M3 and M4, all the 4 subject marks. Now you need to total it. When you want to total it, it's just like you are going to add M1, M2, M3, M4. So whatever the result you get, that will be stored in total. Now to calculate percentage, total divided by total subject. So total subject is 4. So you are going to divide total by 4. So whatever the value you get, that will be stored in percentage. Now here you are going to print the total marks as well as percentage calculated. After calculating, you have one choice. This choice you are going to send it inside the switch case. Here you are going to see choice here. So now you have choice now. Int of PER, that is percentage. So here you are going to convert percentage into int. Before you have declared in float. So till here you need a floating point number. So you have given float, PR has a float. After this you need only integer type. So you are going to convert here, implicitly you are going to convert PR into an integer. So percentage divided by 10, whatever the value you get, that will be the choice. So here you are going to pass the value of choice, switch of choice, whatever the value you get, that will be sent here. So if it is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, till 6, whatever the choice you might get, you are going to print it is a first class, because 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, 100%, all the percentage is first class. So case 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, for all these 4 cases you are going to print first class. Then it will break and it will come out of the loop. Okay. If the percentage is less than 60%, then it comes here and print the second class. If it is between 50 to 59, it will print second class. Then if it is under 40%, it will print pass. By default, if it is not under 40%, then by default it will print fail. So this is closing of switch statement. Here switch statement is open, here switch statement is closed. Get ch, and this is end of the main function. So let me run and show you the program. I'll go to compile it. There is no error. So I'll go to run and click on run. Here enter the first subject marks. So I'll enter 50. Enter second subject marks. I'll enter 60. Enter third subject marks. I'll 70. Enter fourth subject marks 99. So the total is 279. Percentage is 69.75. So the result of the student is first class because 69. It is greater than 60. So greater than 60, all the percentage is first class. So it is showing first class. So let me show you one more output. First subject marks 40, second 35, third 46, fourth 55. See here. Percentage is 44, total is 176, percentage is 44%. So between whatever 40s you have, 40s if you have, it is a pass. So it is showing pass class. One more example I will show you. Fail condition. I will give 12, 29, 12, 12, 11. Here you can see 64 is the total marks, percentage is 16% and the result is failed. So these are the few conditions in this particular program. I hope you understood what is switch case here in this program. It is very simple if you understand the logic. If you don't understand, go back to my other starting programs, see how I have explained, see how I have written the program stepwise, understand it, then come to the bigger programs. I hope you understood this particular program. If you have any doubts, leave a comment on the comment section. I'll answer it for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, hit a like, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.